What's going on, folks? There are a ton of quality outdoor security cameras on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best outdoor security cameras in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a bare-bones budget camera or a high-end model with a built-in spotlight and 4K recording capabilities, we'll have the best outdoor security camera for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an outdoor security camera with good value for the money, the eufyCam 2C 2-Cam kit might be the choice for you. Security cameras can monitor your home, and the $170 eufyCam 2C 2-Cam kit is a reasonably priced option with a range of useful features. It offers solid video quality during the daytime, a responsive and intuitive app with some adjustable settings, and options for local and cloud-based storage. It comes with two 2.8-inch 2-megapixel cameras that capture footage in 1080p with solid color accuracy, and the 135-degree diagonal field of view provides comprehensive visual coverage. You get 4 infrared LEDs around the lens to enable night vision, but nighttime videos can suffer from data dropouts or blurriness. It also has 2-way audio and comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can hear sounds within a 25-foot range, plus each camera has a waterproof IP67 resistance rating for added durability. Each camera is battery-powered and can last around 180 days per charge, so you can place them nearly anywhere. It also includes the Home Base 2, which is a hub that charges the cameras, allows them to wirelessly connect to your network, and offers 16 gigabytes of local storage. I really like that you get the full functionality of the camera even if you don't subscribe to their cloud storage plan, unlike some competitors. And if you do choose to subscribe, subscriptions start at only $3 a month. The companion app is mostly intuitive, but the controls for motion detection are in different areas. You can set activity modes for specific areas, enable geofencing when you're out, or choose from the different camera modes, including a custom setting with your preferred clip length and re-trigger interval. It also comes with Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility. The eufyCam 2C 2-Cam kit is a versatile 2-camera kit that delivers a good price-to-performance ratio. You get impressive daytime video quality in 1080p, the ability to set activity modes, and solid battery life. I would recommend this for anyone who wants an outdoor camera but doesn't need high-quality night video. For anyone looking for a high-quality outdoor security camera with floodlights, the 2021 version of the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is worth considering. Floodlights can add more detail to improve your security footage quality, and the $180 Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus can illuminate darker areas. It gives you a neighborhood watch feature to share footage with other users, integrated voice assistant compatibility, and a relatively affordable subscription plan. You get a combination of an outdoor security camera and a motion-activated floodlight with 2 LED beams to eliminate blind spots, and it can record 1080p footage with crisp colors, solid detail, and a massive 140-degree field of vision. The camera also offers night vision video, which allows you to see outside the light's range, but it lacks some definition. You also get 2-way audio with a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can communicate with whomever you see on the camera, and I think the loud 105 decibel alarm will draw attention when enabled. The live view lets you check your stream from your phone at any time. Unfortunately, it requires some setup, such as setting up the Wi-Fi connection and hardwiring the camera and lights, but since it's hardwired, you won't need to worry about battery levels. It's also nice that you get some functionality without needing to subscribe to a plan, which starts at $3 a month for 2 months of video storage from one camera. The app also gives you a few convenient features, including real-time notifications when it detects movement, adjustments to the sensitivity levels, and the ability to specify motion zones. You can also set a schedule to specify when the lights and motion detection are enabled. I especially like that it comes with a neighborhood watch feature that lets you see suspicious footage from other Ring users in your area or share your own footage. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is a solid outdoor camera with bright LED lights for improved quality. It offers solid color reproduction and accuracy, a large field of vision, and 2-way talk-through audio with a built-in siren. Now, if you're looking for an outdoor camera that excels with nearly everything, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight is our choice for the best overall option. The $180 Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight is one of the best security cameras available right now, and it offers some convenient new additions. It features impressive 2K HDR video recording with a wide viewing angle, handy auto zoom and motion tracking capabilities, and added detail with color night vision. The camera utilizes a 4-megapixel sensor and HDR technology to record stunning 2K footage with outstanding detail, accurate colors, and even exposure, although artifacts can occasionally cause slight distortion on darker objects in low-light shots. It also comes with an impressive 160-degree viewing angle and 12 times digital zoom. You get an integrated motion-detecting spotlight that allows you to shoot nighttime footage in color, along with 2 infrared LEDs for black and white night vision when the light is disabled. While the 2-way audio is somewhat quiet, it can be clearly heard from closer distances, and the 80 decibel alarm is quite loud. I like that it doesn't require a hub and connects to your network wirelessly through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal, which makes the setup process intuitive. You also get a removable battery with an impressive 6-month runtime per charge that comes with a magnetic charging cable. It includes a mount that can be easily installed outside your home, although I'd recommend placing it near a corner. Unfortunately, you'll have to pay for a subscription to access some key features, but they start at an affordable $3 a month for a single camera. You get 30 days of video history, the ability to set activity zones or a geofence, and advanced object detection to discern between people and other objects to reduce unnecessary notifications. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera is a high-end offering that delivers unbelievable performance. You get 2K HDR video and a night mode that shoots in color, hassle-free and truly wireless connectivity, and outstanding battery life. I think this is suitable for anyone who wants highly detailed security footage. Not everyone can afford a high-end outdoor security camera, and the Blink Outdoor is a solid, budget-friendly option that might fit your needs. Many affordable outdoor security cameras offer solid performance, but the $100 Blink Outdoor delivers standout functionality that outperforms the competition in this range. You get an integrated USB port that can store footage locally, an intuitive wireless installation process, and a companion app with some essential security features. The camera has a decent 110-degree viewing angle and can record 1080p footage at 30 frames per second, which delivers sharp daytime video with solid color reproduction. It also features a flat and recessed lens to eliminate lens flare in broad daylight, although slight barrel distortion is present sometimes. It utilizes an infrared LED that produces impressive black and white night video for a budget option, and it has a range of 25 feet. I like that it has a weatherproof IP65 water resistance rating, and it has a built-in thermometer for real-time readings. You even get an integrated microphone that's relatively sensitive and a speaker for two-way audio. It uses two AA batteries for power, and they deliver outstanding battery life that should last around 2 years. While it does require a hub, the Sync Module 2 base station contains a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio for connecting to your network, along with a USB port for local storage. Subscriptions start at $3 a month, and it gives you 60 days of rolling cloud storage, but the basic membership has a limiting 120-minute maximum. I think the app provides some value, and it offers some important customizable options. You can set motion or privacy zones, adjust sensitivity settings, set the length of recording from 5 to 60 seconds, check battery levels, and configure video quality settings, among other features. The Blink Outdoor is a solid option that offers a range of features and decent camera performance. You get impressive nighttime video quality, a robust and waterproofed build, and options for cloud-based or local storage. I would recommend this for anyone shopping on a budget. If you're looking for an outdoor security camera system that captures high-resolution 4K footage, the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera is an excellent choice. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera is expensive at $550, but you're getting a 2-camera system that provides class-leading video resolution. It gives you smart detection features and compatibility with most voice assistants, options for local or cloud-based storage, and an integrated spotlight for colored night vision videos. It streams and records video with an outstanding 180-degree field of vision in UHD 4K resolution, so your footage will have incredible detail, accurate and vibrant colors, and solid exposure. It has 2 integrated motion-activated 6500K LEDs to power the spotlight, which offers different lighting settings and enables color night vision with solid quality, although the midtones could be more defined. You also get 2 infrared LEDs with a 25-foot range to capture impressive grayscale videos. It even comes with a durable, weatherproof build along with a dual microphone setup with noise and wind cancellation for solid two-way audio. The battery life is solid, and it uses a rechargeable battery that can last from 3 to 6 months depending on your usage. Unfortunately, it requires a smart hub to wirelessly connect to your network, but it comes with a micro SD card slot for local storage. You can purchase a subscription for cloud-based storage starting at $3 a month, but storing 4K video will cost slightly more. You also get a robust and intuitive companion app to adjust the sensitivity sliders and set convenient schedules to respond to motion. It gives you a button to call the police, the ability to activate the siren, and a fingerprint scanner for added protection. You can manage your account using the web portal, but it requires Adobe Flash and can only support one interface at a time. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight 2-camera kit excels at just about everything, which is reflected by its price tag. You get excellent 4K streaming capabilities with stunning quality, dual microphones for better audio, and a fingerprint scanner. I believe this is among the best cameras if you can afford it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.